Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. So this is pretty crazy. I have about 600 subscribers, which is, I know, that's good. We're getting there. Keep on going, share this video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, but back to the matter at hand. One of my very first videos, right there, has 34,000 views. 34,000. That's crazy. So since you guys like that so much, I thought I'd do kind of an update, recap, and an upgrade to that office chair. So here we go. So this is the same chair. Now the t-shirt material was super comfortable, but it didn't last as long as I thought it would. It wasn't very durable. So I went ahead and replaced that with the back side and front side of that couch leather that we got. So this has been holding up really well, and I really like the suede. But down here, this thing has been broken since day one. It doesn't stay up. So I had put a piece, can you see that? Let's get under here together. There we go. So this piece is a cut off extension for a shop vac shoved on there just to hold it. So then when you sit down on it, it sinks a little and it hits right there. So today we're gonna replace this with this guy. And it was pretty crazy. I have 3 of these in my garage. I got them from the metal recycler. They're just old car springs. And I thought that I was gonna have to cut and weld and make it the right size, but this one, it just barely fits so perfectly inside there. So let's take it apart and get to it. So here's the base, and it's really simple. There's this retainer clip right here, and all you need is a screwdriver or an old knife, or a, even a butter knife would work. And you're gonna lift this piece up. Can you see that? See that retainer clip in there? So all you have to do is lift this center tab. Wait, is it the center one? Lift that tab up and slide it sideways. I forgot which one it is. Yeah, there you go. So that comes off really easy. Your chair might be a little different, but that's just a retainer clip to hold everything on. And now this whole base will slide right off of here. So here's a little washer. This will come right out. And you might have a couple other pieces come out. You got some extra washers and bushings and things. And this is gonna fly up there. And we're gonna take off this little spacer. Then all we gotta do is slide this guy on and then put everything back. Right? That seems too simple. But that's all we're doing. We're gonna go ahead and replace the rubber washer and then the steel washer. And then that goes on there. Like that. And then this is going to be tricky to get it back together because it's just a little bit too long. So before, this was sticking up about 1/4 inch, and now it's totally flush with that. So now I have to put pressure on that, put the retaining spring in, or, because this is the first time I put this on, I didn't know actually how it would fit. We can come over here and take a look at it. Dang, that looks awesome. So much better than that stupid spacer I had on there before. We can look in here and see how we can take off a little bit of space. So we can grind this end down a little bit. Or, that's sitting pretty flush down there. And that's not really going to go anywhere. I was thinking that maybe I'd have to tack weld this onto the base so that it wouldn't slide around, but it's a pretty good fit. Kind of got lucky. We can just leave it like that. But I'm worried that if I put too much pressure downwards on this thing in order to get the clip in, that pressure is just going to blow the clip apart. But that's actually not that bad. We should be able to just put it back together. Come back over here, I'll show you. So watch right there. I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on it and see how that went back down. So we can push that down and put the washer on and hopefully get this retainer clip back in there. without any problems. This would be easier with a little bit of help, but I'm home alone right now. And then this guy's just gonna slide, same way it came off. You just slide it on, just like that. Dang, that was easy. This is gonna be a way shorter video than I thought it'd be. So there you go. And that'll do it. Super simple chair mod for a broken adjustment bar. I don't even know what that's called. I'll have to look that up. Well, that was a big surprise. That was way easier than I really thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to run into all kinds of problems, have to fit it in there and get my welder out and grinder and make a big mess, and it just went right on. You might run into more problems than I did on your build, but if you go down in the metal recycler, find an old car spring, you know, find the right size and slap it on there. It's easy. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you on the next one. Ciao for now.